Nitrogen, potassium and phosphorus are the three macronutrients your plants need to support healthy growth. Now, nitrogen supports leaf growth, stem growth, the green growth that your plants will be producing coming into the spring and on into early autumn. They'll be producing those green growth. So nitrogen is essential for the major growing part of the year, so spring through to the early autumn. Phosphorus concentrates on supporting the root systems of your plants. This goes hand in hand with all the other nutrients, in fairness. If your plants haven't got a healthy root system, a strong root system, they're going to struggle to take up any nutrients from the soil that is already in the soil ready to be taken up. So they won't matter how much nitrogen you get, how much potassium you get, or how much calcium, magnesium or sulfur you get. The plant gets. The plant gets. If it can't take it up through the root system, it's no good at all. It'll just sit there and get washed out of the soil. Phosphorus is really important as a member of the big three, as the three macronutrients your plants need to grow and thrive. It's really important because it supports the root system. And this not only is stability as well, but the nutrient uptake, two essential parts. It will help also with moisture uptake as well, because the roots take up water as well as the nutrients. So it's really essential. But root systems are really good and crucial, really, for stability as well. If you've got a tree in your garden and has enough root system when it's young, its root system's damaged or doesn't get a lot of phosphorus as it's growing, the root system will be stunted. And then as it grows, it will grow taller than its root system can handle. And one big wind or one heavy storm, and it will lose its stability and potentially fall over. So you need to stake and support them a lot more. So having a really good root system from the word go is important. So potassium helps to support the production of buds and flowers and fruits as well. So if you've got a vegetable patch and you are growing various different fruits, companion planting, if you're growing peas and beans and things like that, they need potassium then to help produce the buds into the flowers to produce the fruit. So again, really important. But this isn't just important in the vegetable patch, this is important throughout the garden. If your plants don't produce buds, don't produce flowers, not only is it going to be a very green garden, there's going to be nothing for the pollinators to eat as well. They won't be attracted into the gardens. They won't have any reason to visit because there won't be anything to pollinate, any nectar to find. Again, vital macronutrient there. If it helps your plants produce flowers, it is incredibly important. So that's the big three. That is the reason that we need the big three in the garden, to feed your plants with those nutrients over anything else. They're the nutrients that they use the most of, and